Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Today we are making simple potato rosti. 500 grams of potatoes. Grate them on your box grater directly into a kitchen towel. Once grated, remove your grater, pull up each corner of your kitchen towel and drain, squeeze it and drain it to remove any water. Once you've released as much excess water as you can, grab a fresh bowl and empty your potato into said bowl. Add some dried thyme, seasoning, salt and pepper, and 100 grams of melted butter. Using your hands, mix to combine. Into a pan on a medium heat, add some olive oil, give it a little swirl around, and then depending on what size you want your rostis, you could do one big one, or as I'm doing, I'm going to do them into smaller cakes. Push those in, get yourself a spatula, push them down, shape them up as you like. Bring in the edges, and we're going to cook that on that side till it's golden brown. Once it's golden brown, flip and repeat on the other side. Oh, these look great. Once they're cooked to your liking, place them straight onto some kitchen paper just to drain them off, and entirely up to you. Eat straight away or they reheat perfectly. Let's give one a go. Nice and crispy off the bat. Oh, hear that crunch? They are delightful. Give this one a go, guys. It definitely won't disappoint. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.